Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best Tankless Water Heater. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. Rheem Electric Tankless Water Heater. External digital thermostatic control with LED display. Durable copper immersion, 2 heating elements, field serviceable. Flow rate up to 4.4 GPM. Simple installation, bottom 3 or 4 inch, NPT water connections. Number 4. RecPro RV Tankless Water Heater. There is a forced exhaust structure that keeps the air safe and clean while and after entering the combustion chamber. There is also a dust net to make sure no dirt gets into the tankless water heater. Number 3. Rinnai Tankless Hot Water Heater. Space-saving design, conserves energy as it heats only when necessary. High performance up to 5.3 GPM hot water flow rate, for a powerful, constant stream. Enhanced scale detection, lessens possibility of serious, long-term damage to unit. Number 2. Easy Ultra Tankless Water Heater. The Easy Ultra HE uses exhaust gas to preheat incoming water for added efficiency. This heater can be vented horizontally or vertically using 2-inch solid core, Schedule 40 PVC or CPVC. Backdraft prevention device, and stainless steel horizontal vent pipe are included. Number 1. Stiebel Eltron Tankless Water Heater. One electronic switch will activate the hot water heater, and it's noise-free while in use. Digital temperature display is easy to read, while the interior solid copper heating system does all the power work. Eco-friendly unit, saves energy with auto modulation,